Okay, let me explain something to you. I took a sell here, and in the same minute, this spike came in, and then I was in loss. So what I did was that I entered for another position here and set my take profit at the middle of the spike. So the trade hit my take profit, and then you see it's coming down in profit. Oh wow, another spike just coming now. Now I will tell you that I'm not scared of this spike. I will show you the reason. In fact, I can enter for another sell. I will enter for another sell. So okay, this is the sell. This is the particular trade. Boom, 500. You can see it hit my take profit. It's showing green. It take profit. So the reason why is that when you come to 15 minutes, you see that the market is selling. The market actually push up to this point, and you can see a resistance level. At this price, the market dropped. The same price, the market dropped. And here you can see that the market could not go higher again. The market could not go higher again. So I'm sure by tomorrow the market will have dropped up to this point. So while you are trading crashable, make sure that your higher time frame is not against you. Check 1 hour. You can see 1 hour is on a downtrend, and I hope you can see the resistance level. You can see the resistance level. This is the first point. This is the second point. So the market is still going to drop. So I'm not scared of any spike on 1 minute because 1 hour is still a sell. As you can see, this spike came in and then it was exhausted. That is to tell you that the trend is a downtrend. So this one will also be exhausted, and the spike will come in again, also be exhausted. So it works like that. Now I want to show you another one. Okay, I've been holding this pair for a while. Now check 1 hour. Now read it. Market has been on an uptrend but could not go higher here again. The market could not go higher again. Dropped, increased, dropped, increased. This particular zone is telling you that okay, the market maker are fighting for the person that will push the market, maybe the buyers or the sellers. So they are fighting. You don't want to trade around this place, so you wait for the direction. So later I noticed there is a breakout. There's a breakout here. Did you see the candle that broke the support level? That particular candle, which is telling you that who won the battle? The sellers. The sellers won. So there will be more of selling pressure in the market. So I sold, and you can see it returned good profits. Now the market is reversing. Remember, I tell you that if you are trading crash, you buy from the low. If you are trading the trend, you buy from the low. So actually, after this green candle, it is safer for you to buy. You can see that there's a spike, and then it has been exhausted. I'll show you on 1 minute now. On 1 minute, can you see the spike? Can you see the spike? But the whole spike is now exhausted. Can you see? The spike is exhausted. Another spike can come in around this place. Remember, I said every support or resistance level has a potential spike. So another spike might come in, and the market will still move up again. So make sure you check from 15 minutes higher 1 hour. Can you see now? Look at the drop. Look at the drop. And this particular area, this will tell you that wow, I think there is about to be a change of pattern. There is a battle going on here between the buyer and the seller. The sellers could not dominate the way they have been dominating. Can you see the way they have been moving before? Now they are fighting for the price. And now if you just put your line here, then the bullish candle actually break the trend, which tell you that the market is about to move up. So after having this information, you can now go down to 1 hour, your 1 minute, and then start buying after the fact. Even if you buy here and this spike coming, you buy here again halfway. You buy halfway, take your profit halfway. You still leave this one, You get. Then another spike come in, you buy again, take your profit halfway, and then leave this one to continue to run. So you will only enjoy this strategy if you use proper money management. Can you see? 3 entry, take your profit on halfway. Then after you leave this one to run. Do you get? So the market is moving up because you have information from higher time frame, from the 15 minutes, that the market is about to change direction. This particular area is your own confirmation. As you can see, this area you cannot conclude who is winning in the market, maybe the buyer or the sellers. So you wait for confirmation to know who is dominating the market. Okay, let me show you the very last one. Boom, 1000. Now, okay, let me come from 1 hour. From 1 hour, you can see I'm selling boom. I'm selling boom, and I'm not afraid of the spike. Now, look at this. Just read the candle. Look at the bullish push up, the trend down, this push up. Now, you will notice that around this area too, nobody is dominating the market. So, it becomes a question, who is dominating, the buyers or the sellers? So you wait for breakout, you wait for confirmation to tell you, okay, the sellers are not the one winning in the market. So I picked the sell because I have the information that, or I could interpret the chart that the sellers are about to take over. There will be a change of pattern, and remember there is a resistance line here. So I sold, and I think this spike comes in after I was in the position. I leave the trade like that because I'm sure the market will actually drop, and you can see. So now this trade is not actually safe again because I've been seeing a few buying pressure here. I've been seeing a few buying pressure on the rejection. Can you see? The rejection. If the market should break above this particular level, I'll be thinking of buying. So it's as simple as that. Okay, let me show you on 15 minutes also. 15 minutes, you just read. Remember I told you about M and W pattern, that you should not joke with it. M pattern, you start selling. M pattern. And also you see that, okay, this is the push up, down. You can see still within this range, and then the buyer started dominating. The sellers rather started dominating. Can you see the breakout? So you start selling from here. You are safe. Even if a spike coming, it is still in your direction. It will be exhausted. Can you see the same thing I spotted earlier, which means the market will start spiking anytime soon. Anytime soon the market will start spiking. Consolidation. Who is going to win, buyers or sellers? What do? Draw your line. Any direction of the breakout you follow, draw your line. If it break down, it means the sellers actually won. If it break up, it means the buyers actually won. So whoever is winning in the market will determine the direction of the market. So I hope you get this. You can watch the video over and over again just for you to get. So I see it as you can see, this particular trade is now running in profit. Can you see? Because you are picking the trade from high, you have nothing to worry about. Nothing. You can see. Okay, let me show you from 1 minute. You are picking it from high, you have nothing to worry about. Can you see? The spike has been exhausted. Assuming you over traded here, you'll be scared because let's say you have $100 and this spike is minus $20. You know you have 80 left. You'll be scared of if another spike will come in. But assuming you use your small lot and you have minus 10, okay, another spike just comes in. Remember I said every support and resistance is a potential spike zone. Can you see? Just coming now. But you know that the major trend is the downtrend, which means this spike will be exhausted. It will be exhausted. Can you see that this particular spike is exhausted? So I can wait on this trade because I did not overtrade. Assuming I'm using like 50 lots on this trade now. my account side will actually show it. It will show it. So your first take profit here should be your halfway. I didn't set it to be halfway, and then you allow it to run. So please master this, master it. Come from higher time frame, check higher time frame. Okay, see that okay, it is a sell from higher time frame. Come to 1 minute and then pick your entry. Every spike will be in your favor. Forget it. Every spike will be in your favor. This particular trade is still coming down to this level, or let's say here it will be safer to this level. So every support and resistance has a potential spike. Just know that. So I hope you learned something from this video.